everybody. Welcome to Aspirants Hub and welcome to this series called The Answer Behind the Rank, where we are learning objective parameters with respect to answer writing. So, today we will be talking specifically about art and culture. Let us get started. See, to write good answers in art and culture, good memory as well as constant revision is needed. See, the questions are analytical. However, whenever you write your questions, you will have to back it up with good examples, good relevant examples. So, for that, you need good memory and constant revision. Okay. So, see, good memory, okay, leave this part. But how can you boost whatever you have read? How can you make sure that you remember it as by constant revision? Okay, so make sure, please revise it regularly. Now, please understand these components. We have already studied them while seeing the history segment as well. That is analysis, examples, and diagrams. The same three components will help us in the art and culture segment as well. Okay. First and foremost thing, in recent years, you must have seen that analytical type of questions are being asked. So now for art and culture, what does this analysis mean? See, whenever you study any art, architecture, you will have to see what that particular art and architecture is telling us about that specific time. For example, if you read the Sangam literature, so what Sangam literature talks about the social, the political, economic, cultural aspects of those times. Same with the mural paintings, rock cut architecture, etc. Okay, and see, if you have a look at it here, I have only included some aspects. For example, the social, the cultural, the economic, political. There can be many more aspects like the religious aspects. Please go through all the PYQs. First thing. Second thing is, from your own understanding, try to think what more aspects can you add. Prepare it in a very, very holistic and comprehensive manner. Okay. So when you do this, what happens is, see, if you have a look at the 2025 paper, there was a question on Chandela architecture. I think Chandela art and architecture. So when you study things in an analytical manner, that will also give you an idea how to approach such unexpected questions. Okay. So you will have a basic framework. The same framework you will have to use and answer new type of questions or any uncertain, unexpected question. Clear? Now, second part is examples. See, make sure you have good examples as already discussed. Okay. Analysis carries weight if it is substantiated with good examples, relevant examples from that period. Okay. See, for example, if there is a question on Buddhist art. So, Buddhist art has various forms. One is stupa. This is in terms of architecture. Then you have the sculptures, rock art architecture. Then you have the wall paintings. So, for all of these, instead of just naming these in a very generic manner, also give good examples, so that adds more value to your answers. Okay, see, try to remember at least 2 to 3 examples for each of the pointers. Okay, always do this. And third aspect is diagrams. Wherever there is a scope to draw diagrams in art and culture, please make sure that you draw and practice these diagrams well in advance, so that on paper, when you see the question, immediately it comes to your mind that yes, here I can draw this diagram. Here I have a diagram to draw. Okay. For example, like the temple architecture, structure of stupa, I have already attached the image here. Okay. So we are done with art and culture. It's very, very simple. The same components which we have seen for history applies for art and culture as well. Please make sure that you remember them and try to incorporate this in your answers. Thank you so much. All the very best.